Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix call recording option not showing on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, update iOS version. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is turn off airplane mode. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen airplane mode toggle on and 10 to 20 seconds back toggle off and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check your call recording. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on apps, scroll up, tap on phone. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on call recording. You can see appears on screen call recording toggle off and turn on and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix call recording option not showing on iPhone after iOS 18 update successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.